Okay, I'm going to show you how to make a histogram in Google. So here's my data over here. I've got 30 samples for each group. I want to make sure that um, it's sorted. So I'm going to go over to data and I'm going to go to sort range by column B, A to Z. It's already sorted. Same thing over here. Highlight all my data and do data sort range by column Z. If I do Z to A, it goes high to low. I'll just sort it A to Z again. You can see it's sorted. Okay, I've got average and standard deviation calculating. Notice here, I want to change the format of these 30 numbers so that they have one decimal. So I'll customize the decimal so that my 39 shows up as 39.0. Now here I want to change these to 2 decimals because the mean should have one more decimal place than the data, and this is already at 2 decimal places for standard deviation, which is great. Now, I've already gone ahead and I've decided on my category labels. So less than or equal to 22, these should be 22.0, so I'll change that to have 1 decimal place as well. Okay, so now we're good. One thing, on the graph, we're only going to show the upper limits. Here, we're not going to show the lower limits, so I typically choose to have a whole number here, and then I can have my point ones over here. It's just a bit tidier. Anyway, so I've got it set up like this. This is my first category, everything less than 22, from 22.1 to 25.0, etc. So then we're just going through this list to tally up, so we can see for the domesticated cat, Felis catus, there's only one individual who's less than or equal to 22, so there's 1 here. So on between 28 and 31, if I count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That 9 goes here. So I'm just going to highlight this data here, select it. I'm going to do insert chart. So let me insert the chart. I want a column chart. And you're going to have to, instead of using row 1 as headers, use column F as labels. Hit insert, and voila, there's your histogram. You can go through and add proper titles and all of that, but you can see here's our x-axis values and the frequency counts on the y-axis. All right, there you go.